Delhi, the national capital, big and beautiful, wide roads and great infrastructure. This is Delhi too. All green, all clean. And then there is this Delhi too. The Delhi of your nightmares. And this one as well. Well, this too is Delhi. River Yamuna, which is the biggest drain of the national capital. Dirty air has become synonymous with Delhi. So much so that if there is no pollution, people would be surprised.
अब मुझे लगता है कि दिल्ली वालों को इस पोल्यूशन की इतनी आदत पड़ चुकी है कि अब वो उनकी सांसों के अंदर ना पोल्यूशन आ चुका है। तो अब हमारे को पोल्यूशन नहीं मिलता तो हमारे को अब जो दिक्कत होती है। अब मुझे लगता है दिल्ली वाले जो केजरीवाल जी और लोगों ने हमारे को पोल्यूशन इतना हमारे शरीर में भर दिया है कि मुझे लगता है अब हम पहाड़ों पर जाएंगे ना वहाँ बीमार पड़ जाएंगे। हमारे को साफ हवा जो ना हजम नहीं होगी, मुझे ये लग रहा है।
तो ऐसे पोल्यूशन बढ़ता जा रहा है सॉलिड स्टेप ना हम उठा रहे हैं, ना सरकार उठा रही है, ना कोई उठा रहा है।
दिल्ली से 100 किलोमीटर कहीं भी चले जाओ, वहाँ पे AQI 70-75 से ऊपर नहीं है।
जनता के लिए पोल्यूशन बहुत गंभीर मुद्दा है, इसमें कोई दो राय नहीं। मगर ये बहुत दोयम दर्जे पे चला जाता है जब बात राजनीति की आती है। राजनीतिक पार्टियां इसको लेके कोई गंभीर नहीं है।
Pollution is an issue for everybody, and Delhi is the worst sufferer. Also, it's not only air pollution, the water pollution. Nothing had been done for Jamna. Since I have traveled internationally many places, I find the riverfront of any city is the ideal front, which people, highly prized front. And here we are totally treat Jamna as a nala. This is the biggest black mark on the state government.
It's difficult to breathe here. My demand is to clean up Yamuna. My demand would be to decrease the pollution. My demand would be to better the roads. The infrastructure is so poor. The cleaning is not there. Every corner you go in the best of colonies, they are stinking garbage.
कुछ भी वादे नहीं पूरे हुए। अरविंद केजरी ने कुछ भी काम नहीं करवाया, बेवकूफ़ बनाया जनता को। पॉल्यूशन तो होना ही चाहिए दिल्ली में साहब। पॉल्यूशन बहुत ज़रूरी है, लोगों को बीमारी लग रही बहुत ज़्यादा। अगर पहले सांस लेने में दिक्कत हो जाती है, पॉल्यूशन सही नहीं हुआ तो लोगों के लिए बीमारी का घर बन जाएगा ये शरीर। दवाई लग रही, लोग बीमार पड़े हुए हैं, बहुत दिक्कत है इसमें।
पॉल्यूशन है तो दुनिया भर की बीमारियाँ। लोग अभी दिल्ली में हाल देखा हमने पॉल्यूशन का, क्या बुरा हाल था, लोग परेशान हैं और गंदगी बहुत हो रही है, बहुत ज़्यादा गंदगी है। ये भाई दिल्ली दिल वालों की अच्छी होनी चाहिए, कोई बाहर का आए तो बोले हाँ दिल्ली है ये, बस हमारा यही है और क्या चाहिए।
The Delhi of your dreams is now a city of nightmares. It ranks as the most polluted city in the world. Often considered a perennial problem, pollution is actually a year-long problem. An election time is accountability time, with Delhiites not mincing their words on what their expectations are.
The bridge. So as you see, this is blocked.
All right, so we're coming to you from Delhi's posh defense colony locality. This is in South Delhi, and like I said, this is a posh locality. But look at these pictures. This, in fact, is from the defense colony. This is the infamous Kushak drain, which has forced residents like her to leave her ancestral home and move away from Defence Colony. This is how difficult things are really for the people living in this particular area. What should be on top of the agenda of the Netas?
Unfortunately, it's on nobody's agenda. As we see that clearly, nothing is being talked about, which is health. And health is connected to, of course, clean air, water, food, everything. So clean air, which is what you introduced right now, related to every civic issue. It's related to vehicular emission, construction, industrial, biomass, everything that is, and each one of them has its own huge problems that the government and authorities need to always check. But look at this now. This broken bridge is an image of 2 years. It's been almost 2 years this bridge has been broken, and it's not been done. This is, like you said, a posh area. Imagine what is happening to the northwest and east and the outskirts of Delhi.
I want you to tell us about why air pollution, unfortunately, is not on the agenda.
Everybody should get up and speak about it. Then only will there be a collective effort, and we have to get this cleaned up. Look at us, people like me who had to move out of here because it was stinking. Can you not see this nala? It stinks.
Delhi government has failed in its duty towards its citizens as far as clean air is concerned. You said it's your birthright, but is it being given to you?
No, it's not being given to us because of the pollution, and it's been stolen from us. So it's important that we all work together towards it, so we can avail this basic necessity. And even the community, like the people and the politicians, all are responsible towards it. So we all should work together so we can get this basic necessity.
Would you want to hear from the Netas in that campaign about Hawa? Saaf Hawa. That's your right.
Most certainly, the current state government has not been able to deliver, and they ruled for almost a decade.
Just tell us how frustrating it is that election after election, Lok Sabha election, Assembly election, we are just raising this, but it doesn't look like the Netas are serious about this matter. Courts have intervened, there's so much push is there. Where is the solution?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, today also it's people think it's sunny and nice, but it's over 270, the PM 2.5, and it's not. And you tend to this narrative of that the air pollution is only for 3 months and 4 months. Even our CM, ex-CM said this. So these are the wrong, things that narratives are thrown, and then the citizens start believing it. So like you said, of course, and it's the exactly same asks which I can just rewind it to 5 years and another 5 years and another 5 years, to the point that we've even started repeating our hashtags, I said somewhere, because we are so tired what to create, what to say, because it's all the same.
Ajeeb baaton mein tu मैं, but the basics are not taking.
करने को नहीं तैयार. Somebody wants to come in power. It's all about coming in power. That's it. They don't care. अभी तो बोल देंगे ये भी करेंगे. We will get everything done. The moment the elections are over, they've forgotten.
But what are the priorities of our Netas?
मैंने ये कह दिया कि जो सोने का हिरन था वो रावण सोने का हिरन बन के आया था, और सीता मैया उस सोने के हिरन के ऊपर वो हो गया. पूरी भारतीय जनता पार्टी आज धरने पे बैठी है मेरे घर के सामने कि मैंने रावण का अपमान क्यों किया, मैंने रावण का अपमान कैसे कर दिया. पूरी भारतीय जनता पार्टी, इनको रावण से इतना प्यार है, राक्षसी प्रवृत्ति है इन लोगों की.
शीश महल का दरवाजा खोलिए, जनता देखने आ रही है. यहाँ के लोग जो है देखना चाहते हैं कि उनके टैक्स के पैसे कहाँ पर यूज हुए. तो मैं यहाँ के लोगों को बस में रखकर, है ना, बस में उनको सैर कराऊंगा शीश महल की, उनको दिखाऊंगा कि उनके पैसों से क्या क्या महल बना रहे थे केजरीवाल जब वो कोविड में ऑक्सीजन मांगते थे.